There guys, we're doing a YouTube video about the bean boozles, and today we will be trying these. So the first person that is going to have a go is Dylan.
No!
And then he is going to try one.
We all agreed on re.
So pick the one that you want, Dylan.
We blimmin' agreed on re. What we got here? What the hell we got here?
Go on, Dylan, we haven't got all day.
Tick. Top. 1, 2.
Okay, so Dylan has gone for dog food or chocolate pudding. So, open wide.
Yeah? Ours.
Sorry about that.
Do we need to swallow it?
Yes.
Oh
It's the name of the challenge.
This is gonna be horrible if it's dog food.
Go on.
I'm not doing it. Come on, Dylan, you have to do it. That's it.
What one has he got? You wonder. He's got dog food, alright.
It's dog food.
Go on, Dylan, swallow it.
It's dog food. Oh, I can smell it. I'm not eating it. You have to eat it. Swallow it all if you have to.
Okay, guys, that was the first video done. Dylan didn't succeed. Okay, so I'll see you all later in my next video. Bye.